Oh.
No.
Find the penguin, round 1. You gonna shoot my foot? Is that what you were just about to do?
I was aiming at a knife actually.
Is that what you're gonna do for solid red?
Solid red?
Yep, solid red.
Okay. Is it like
Not yet. Hold on. Give a second.
How's the battery on that thing?
Not usually the greatest. It's blinking. You're good, and then we just kind of angle it. Just like
how is it? I guess.
there you go. It's
How's
good.
the battery
Leave.
on that thing?
That's all right. Sometimes it'll shut off. I don't know if that's the camera or the battery itself.
How much was it?
Like $40.
Oh, so it's like one of those wish ones.
So which one?
Yeah.
I'm not spending $300 on that.
I buy mine used,
Yeah, it's still too expensive.
and well, you got yours free. So.
Yeah.
Well, kind of, sort of. You ended up paying for a building, so I was like, yeah, we gotta hook you up with something. Then we just gotta have you posted on the Ross channel.
Hey,
Oh,
wait.
we're getting a hint. Oh, well, now it's gone. Oh no, they're just shooting. Let them shoot. I don't even know what the fuck he's saying. Woo! Oh, that keg! Go! Go! Check that one barrel. Quick. Careful. Oh, fuck. Sorry, man. Oh, hello. I know exactly who that was. All right, let's push up. Let's make a push up. Hit. Dead man coming out. Ow. My back. How the fuck is Wilson still alive? Wilson! Sorry about that, man. Guys, there's nobody in that power building. You can get in there. We can go in there if you want. There's nobody in there. I got killed from way in the back.
Oh, there's somebody running around here. Watch out. To the right. He might be back here. It's a little kid.
There's also a guy way in the back. Shit. That building, all the way in the back there. I think that's your dad.
Yeah, that's my dad. Their dad was like right there.
Yeah, they're right there. I'm gonna go around the other way.